Thank you.
Oh, he's really mad at us.
There is no us. You started this, and then you took me down with you with that brilliant little reenactment.
In my defense, Kara, it was your choice to wear the hat.
You created an atmosphere where it was easy to get carried away.
Just go out there and try and talk to him, will you?
Why don't you?
I did. Every time I do, he just covers his ears and shuts his eyes and walks away. Usually right into something.
Hey, I'll go. Dad, would you just come inside and eat with us?
Sorry. I prefer to eat out here with the other demented circus monkeys.
You're not a circus monkey, Dad.
Demented circus monkey.
Will you stop it? We're sorry, okay?
Sure, it's easy to say you're sorry after the insult.
Well, it's kind of hard to do it before the insult.
If you're trying to disarm me with your wit, I recommend you save your time.
Hey! Party Artie! Chef Boyardee!
We're in here. What does Met stand for, anyway, you know? I mean, what's a Met? What's the deal with that? Come on, give me something, huh?
It's short for Metropolitan.
Or perhaps it's short for hurtful son-in-law.
All right, you know what? That's it. Come on, you know? Well, I said I was sorry, all right? I didn't mean what I said. Never apologized. I shared front row seats with you. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out.
Never got a foul ball before.
Hey, buddy, back in your seat. Hey!
Go, big man. Go.
Oh, will you look at this? This is terrible.
Is that Doug?
Some moron is running around the field, rooting it for everyone.
Go Moose!
Hey, how you guys doing?
That's my son-in-law!